In this lecture, we will learn how can we split data from the cells in different ways by using Excel left, right, and mid functions. For example, I have employee IDs in this database, and firstly, I want to split the first two digits on the left side, 18. So here I will use left function because these two digits or these two numbers on the left side. So here I will use left function, which is equal left bracket. The first argument is text and I will select this cell, comma. The next argument is number character. As I know there are two numbers or two digits, I want to split it from this employee ID. So I will enter 2 and bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the 18 from this employee ID. If I drag this formula up to the bottom, you can see I easily split or get the 18 number from the employee IDs. So what if I want to take it 180 from the employee ID? Mean the left side three digits I want to get it. Then what I will do, I will double click this formula and here in the number character I will enter 3 instead of 2 and press enter. And you can see I got 180 from this employee ID. So I will drag this formula and you can see I got 180 from all these employee IDs. Similarly, if I want to split 35202 from the national ID, how can I do this? Here I will use left function because these digits are available on the left side of the national ID. Equal left bracket and I will select the cell, comma. In number character, how many number character I should enter? So as you know, these are 5 number characters, 1 2 3 4 5. So I will enter 5, bracket close and press enter. And you can see I easily split 35202 from the national ID. But if I want to split only 3520, then I will write it here 4 instead of 5 because I want to split 4 digits only and press enter. You can see I got 35202. But right now I want to split 35202, so I will enter 5 again and press enter. Then I will drag this formula up to the bottom and you can see I easily split 35202 from the national ID. So my next requirement is I want to split this series 111, 112, 113 up to the last 129. So how can I do this? This series, as you know, on the right side of the national ID. So here I will use right function, which is equal right bracket. I will select this cell again, comma, and in the number character argument, how many number character I should enter? As you know, these are all 3 digits. So here I will enter 3, bracket close and press enter. And you can see I got the answer 111. So I will drag this formula up to the bottom and I easily separate these series from the national ID. Sometimes we need to take digits or text from mid of the data. So how can we do this? In this scenario, we will use mid function. For example, I have this national ID and I want to take only 2-11, 2-11 and up to the bottom 2-12. So here I will use mid function equal mid bracket. The first argument is text. So I will select the cell, comma. Next argument is start number. So I must know the starting position of my required data. So in this scenario, I want it 2-11 and to count the position, I will start it from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So fifth position is my starting number. So here in start number I will enter 5, comma. Then the next argument is number character. So how many number character I want it from starting position? I want it 2-11. So my number characters will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will write it here 4, bracket close and press enter. And you can see I easily split 2-11 from the mid of this cell. So I will drag this up to the bottom, and you can see I easily split all these 2-11 and 2-12 from the national IDs. So in this way you can use left function, right function and mid function.